Rosehip tea is a fragrant, tangy herbal drink that has gained attention for its impressive health benefits. It's crafted from the fruit of the rose plant, a vibrant red or orange berry packed with nutrients that can enhance your well-being. If you've ever wondered what rosehip tea is good for, let's dive into the top 7 reasons why this tea is worth adding to your lifestyle. In today's world, maintaining a healthy, balanced lifestyle can feel challenging. With an abundance of beverage options, it's hard to find one that is both delicious and truly beneficial. Rosehip tea solves this problem by offering an array of health-supporting properties. Unlike sugary or highly processed drinks, it's a natural powerhouse for boosting health while still being easy to enjoy. A standout feature of rosehip tea is its high vitamin C content, which plays a key role in strengthening your immune system. This helps your body fend off seasonal illnesses, like cold, and enhances your overall resilience. The tea also contributes to skin health, promoting a more radiant and youthful appearance. Another noteworthy benefit lies in its antioxidants, which work to protect cells from free radical damage, a factor often linked to aging and chronic diseases. For those dealing with joint discomfort, rosehip tea's anti-inflammatory properties provide soothing relief, making it a helpful addition to your wellness routine. Furthermore, it supports digestion, helping to maintain a healthier gut environment. Not only does rosehip tea benefit the body, but it also offers a calming experience. Its tangy flavor and gentle aroma are perfect for unwinding after a long day. Many find that a cup of rosehip tea helps with relaxation and stress management, a reminder to slow down and prioritize self-care. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, its versatility and delicious taste make it a must-try for any tea lover. The real moment of discovery comes when you realize how rosehip tea can integrate into your lifestyle. Beyond its health benefits, it serves as a natural alternative to artificially flavored beverages, helping you make better choices without compromising on taste. Its adaptability means you can pair it with other ingredients like honey or lemon for an extra flavor boost. To sum up, rosehip tea is much more than a simple herbal drink. It's a natural treasure with benefits ranging from better immunity and skin health to improved digestion and relaxation. If you're looking for a flavorful yet health-boosting addition to your daily routine, rosehip tea is the perfect choice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Let us know in the comments how did you enjoy your rosehip tea. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. See you next time.